Hey, cruisers! Your Wild Now moment with Kathy T. Cruising with Michael T. Supercars and unique rides. Woo! 12 to 3 every Sunday at Old Town. Welcome, our newest partner. Hey, Brian.
How you doing? I'm Brian with the Motorcycle Clinic. You guys are able to come to our shop and pre-register whenever you guys would like. We have these cards ready for you to fill out. We're located at 807 East Vine Street in Kissimmee, Florida. We're open Friday 8:30 to 5:30, Saturday 8:30 to 2 o'clock, and we're closed Sunday, Monday, so stop by anytime within those store hours.
And what are we going to bring to our supercar and unique ride cruisers with their cruiser ID card?
Absolutely. This will be right here. This is what they look like. And whenever you guys are ready, you can stop by and we'll get you pre-signed up.
And there's more, because Brian is going to present a discount.
Absolutely. Anybody that gets pre-registered or is currently registered, you're able to get 10% off labor services throughout any of the services we offer for your motorcycle.
MotorcycleClinic.com. Present your cruiser ID card, supercars, and unique rides, 12 to 3 p.m. every Sunday at Old Town. Hosted by Cruise Master Mike T. and Kathy T. See you real soon. Thank you, Brian. MotorcycleClinic.com. Woo!
Probably getting